Alright, I'm a big fan of Freedom Munitions. Academy, Walmart, Gander Mountain, Cabela's, Bass Pro cannot beat their prices. They've got a new stuff called Hush ammo. This is 9mm. It's a 147 grain full metal jacket. I've been buying their ammunition for 2 years since they opened up a storefront in Jersey Village. I don't live near anymore, but I happen to work in an office about 20 minutes from their store. So usually on a payday or a Friday, I'll go use my lunch break and go pick up some ammo. I found this in there this past Friday. They don't have it in there usually because everybody's buying it. So saw the box of the 9 and the 45. So I figured, let's see how good it is. It's supposed to be super clean and highly efficient. I'm going to do 5 rounds through it, unsuppressed and then suppressed. As you can see, I don't have hearing protection on. So we'll see if it's actually quiet without a silencer on it. I hope I don't regret this. Alright, let's see how good it is with a silencer. Not bad. Let's try the 45. Alright, this is Freedom Munitions Hush ammo. It's a 45 230 grain full metal jackets. Gonna do the same test as we did before. See if it's any quieter. Yeah, it's loud. That's not subsonic.
Oh, it's subsonic.
FYI, don't fire the 45 without a silencer on it. It hurts.
They're always subsonic.
So my view on it, the 9mm is okay to fire subsonic. Don't do it with the 45. My ears are still freaking ringing. But subsonic ammo with a suppressor on there is going to be inherently dirty. This one has already been fired subsonic numerous times without being cleaned. You can see how dirty it is. You're going to have blowback from any weapon with a silencer on it, especially a pistol. So always wear eye protection. Unfortunately, I have to because I now have to wear glasses. But it is inherently dirty, but that's the nature of the beast. If you want to fire subsonic or silence, the silencer on there, you're gonna have to have some blowback. This stuff is really good. The 9mm, you can fire without hearing protection. My rear ears from that aren't ringing. But the 45, I guess it being a 45 is loud. Suppressor on there, the Osprey, I don't have a problem with it. It's quiet, but you know, get you some Freedom ammunition. They'll beat any price anywhere. Like I said, that's the only place I buy ammo now, unless JC's reloading it, which is all right.
Rounds in there. Uh-huh. First time I've tried that, I like it. I think I'll do some more.